In this module, you will learn about functions of management. Did you know that the key aspects of modern management can be traced back to the ancient Egyptians, who used advanced management practices with respect to labor division, hierarchy of authority, and teams to carry out various functions of governance? We know that management involves getting things done through the efforts of others. For this, several functions need to be carried out methodically by the management. These systematic activities are called managerial functions. The managerial functions can be broadly grouped into 6 areas, namely planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. Planning is the most crucial and fundamental function, which entails determining the future operational action for a given time period. The tasks involved in the process of planning include determining business objectives and developing plans, strategies, policies, methods, and schedules. Determining business objectives is the first step, wherein the management clearly defines what the organization aims to achieve. Next, the management formulates plans or long-term strategies for stating how to achieve the goals. The management also formulates policies, which are a set of principles that help in decision-making. With the plans and policies formulated, the managers define the methods to be followed for achieving the set goals. They also define tasks and prepare schedules to make the operational process smooth. The next functional area of management is organizing, wherein managers assemble the workforce as well as resources like machines and materials. For example, in a textile mill, the management ensures that the spinning and weaving machinery and skilled workers are put together so that the production process works well. Thus, the main aim of assembling these resources is to put them in working order so as to achieve the objectives of the organization. The organizing function also involves assigning the requisite authority to the managers and supervisors to help them perform their role well. This function is very crucial, as a manager or supervisor cannot get the work done from subordinates if he or she does not have enough authority. The organizing function also involves linking all the positions to facilitate the coordinated and harmonious functioning of the people. For example, if one worker's task depends on another worker's task, then the manager ensures that the work is coordinated such that there is no delay and overall efficiency is maintained. The next managerial function is staffing, which involves activities like the recruitment, selection, placement, training and development of personnel in an organization. Thus, the manager conducts interviews and selects the suitable employees, and also ensures their growth. The chief purpose of staffing is to ensure that the right person is picked for the right job. The next area of functional management is directing. As part of directing, the manager instructs, guides, supervises, and leads the staff members towards achieving the goals of the organization. Managers achieve this by giving orders to subordinates and also ensuring that the activities are planned effectively and instructions are carried out well. The next area of functional management is coordination, which involves the linking together of the operations of the various departments of an organization in order to achieve the set organizational goals. In fact, coordination comprises regulating the team efforts to bring unity of actions in working towards the common goal. For example, a manager of a sales team ensures that all team members work in unity towards achieving the maximum sales. Another very important managerial function is controlling, which encompasses nearly all the management activities. In fact, controlling is a function that all managers need to carry out, wherein they monitor all the functions of management. The aim of the controlling function is to cultivate a harmonious and disciplined organizational environment for the proper coordination of the various activities. Another aim of the controlling function is to make certain that the actual performance is in line with the planned performance. The controlling function also aims to improve the efficiency of the organization on the whole. Thus, we have seen that management entails various important functions that help in coordinating the efforts of people for the accomplishment of the organizational goals. You have now reached the end of this module. In this module, you learned that managerial functions are the systematic activities carried out by the management to get things done through the efforts of others. The managerial functions can be broadly grouped into 6 areas, namely planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. Planning involves determining the future operational action for a given time period. The tasks involved in the process of planning include determining business objectives and developing plans, strategies, policies, methods, and schedules. Organizing involves putting together the workforce and resources like machines and materials, as well as assigning the requisite authority to the managers and supervisors. Staffing involves activities like the recruitment, selection, placement, training, and development of all the personnel of an organization. Directing involves instructing, guiding, supervising, and leading the staff members towards achieving the goals of the organization. Coordination involves the linking together of the operations of the various departments of an organization in order to achieve the set organizational goals. Controlling is a function that all managers need to carry out, wherein they monitor all the other functions of management.